with you, go toward it. Ha! Got that blast in this board, and I'm like, man, fuck that, man. Your body get bored like a house that be abandoned. With that bando? I'm like, man, fuck that shit. You can't stand no more. Demons always try to try, they gon' die like oh. Like that, I thought he was too good. Nah, I'ma blow, blow, let that bit blow, let that bit blow. Slam with the sword of the Lord, and how that shit go. Trying with the law, break your jaw, how that shit go. Point a bang upon that fit like banger for the disco. Down with the hair, he got that lock with a Driscoll. Already told him, man, Grease popping like disco. Down with the hell, I'm in this thing, you been deceased. You acting hard, you on that bed, nah, I'm on the knee. Oh, I leave your body down. Hell, he so rare. Like, man, fuck this shit, man. I have all the steppers there. Cause they think I practice magic, witchcraft. They think I probably cause they see the altar. My body is my altar. Shit can't be altered. Ha. But they try to genetically modify. I'm like, man, you don't really want war with I am raw. They like, dang, what he doing? He bring raw to that flavor. Got the sun coming now. That flame on. Game on, let it bang on. Weird to the world, so you know that he Strange Homes. Ha. Freedom, the 3 dawn. Nigga going in like King Kong.